Welcome to eSehat.org. LERM is a world-class platform managing resources and information for laboratories and quality management systems for enterprises.
Hello, in this video we are going to see the role of technical manager in LERM. First we have to log into technical manager's account. After logging we can only access the modules which is required for the technical manager. The role of technical manager is to perform planification, assign services and analysis to technicians. To do the following, we have to click on Planification under Laboratories. In this interface, we can see pre-planned planification, confirmed planification, not executed planifications and many more. To add a planification, we have to click on Add button. Now in this menu, we will add analysis by clicking on this button. Then we need to click on Add button. After that, we can see this menu where we have our analysis, behavior and pending fractions. So we can select any one of them to add. After selecting one of them, click on Add button. Then select the analysis and click on Search fraction. Now we can see number of fractions in the list. These are pending fractions to perform analysis. After selecting a fraction, we need to click on Add button. Now we can see the fraction we are planning to analyze. Next, we have to select a start date. After that, on the button Pre-planned, as we can see the state is changed into pre-planned. After all this, we need to assign a technicians to the analysis. So we have to in Technicians tab and click on Add button, then click on Select button. Now you can see this list of technicians we have. Now select any one of them, select the technician and assign them fraction that we need to analyze. After selecting that, we have to click on Relate button. As we can see, we have filled the information. Now we can click on Confirmed button. After that, we can change the state to confirmed. So this planification is been confirmed and this information is passed to technicians so that he can perform his analysis.